Atin ding alamin ang sitwasyon sa lalawigan ng Aklan. That is one of 4 provinces in the island of Panay. Siyempre Aklan, Capiz, Antique at Iloilo. Mula kay Governor Jose Enrique Joen Miraflores. Magandang gabi po sa inyo, Governor. Thank you very much for joining us tonight.
Good evening po, Ma'am Pia. Good evening po to everyone.
So,
yes, no, Ma'am. We're still experiencing blackouts po dito. More than 50% no, of our power supply has been restored, pero our local cooperative is still implementing rotational blackouts po, prioritizing other areas po na kung saan na-request po namin, no, like Boracay and the capital town of Calibo. But hopefully po tonight, yun po yung sabi ng NGCP that they will fully restore no, the power supply here in our province.
Hopefully tonight, there is 5.5 hours before tonight ends. So hopefully, no, matuloy na yan. But you said Calibo and Boracay. Boracay, which is an island in the town of Malay. So the rest of Malay also may kuryente o Boracay lang?
As of now po, this afternoon or this morning po, our general manager of the local cooperative updated me that the whole island of Boracay was given full power. No? So para yung operations po ng mga industries po natin doon ay hindi mahamper. Unfortunately po, not the whole municipality of Malay was given power, and some barangays and municipalities near Boracay are still experiencing blackouts.
Okay. Pero yung 50% Gov na sinasabi niyo na meron ng kuryente, although rotational blackouts pa rin, which towns in Aklan ang meron ng kuryente?
Sa ngayon po, still the local cooperative, electric cooperative, rotational pa rin po, ma'am. So as of now, the municipality of Calibo, yun po yung binibigyan ng power.
Yes.
Because of, nandun din po kasi yung mga hospitals po natin, yung mga medical services na dapat ma-energize pa rin. No? Dapat hindi rin ma-hamper yung day-to-day nila na services. So sa ibang mga municipalities like the one now in Ibahay where I'm from, we are blackout po kami ngayon, and hinihintay lang po namin yung rotational na pagbigay sa amin ng power.
Okay, so Calibo and the island of Boracay sa munisipyo ng Malay. Tapos yung iba, naghihintay na lang. Ang dami pa namang bayan.
So now, yes.
Yes, one of them, our town also. Governor Miraflores, how else are people affected there, no? Sa inyong lalawigan?
Sa ibang municipalities po, the local chief executives declared na walang pasok because of harsh environment po ng mga classroom. Mainit po kasi pag may araw po dito, and yung mga teachers, principals nagrereklamo na po na yung mga bata po ay nagkakaroon ng asthma attack, hindi po kaya yung level po ng init inside the classroom. So other municipalities have declared na walang pasok para po maano po yung mga bata po dito sa lalawigan namin. And other certification, sometimes we experience din po yung loss of yung mga communication systems po. Like kanina po, we experienced yung smart na wala na naman because of the blackout. So medyo medyo hirap po yung gumalaw yung mga tao po dito pag talagang nawawala yung supply ng kuryente.
Of course, and understandably so. Well, like we said earlier, hopefully talagang maibalik na ang kuryente 100%, like you were saying, and like Energy Secretary Lotilla was saying also earlier. Aklan Governor Joan Miraflores. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Gid, for being with us tonight.